So let me know if you can see them or not, and if you're good. Euro USD brewing. You see brewing it like it's trying to break through. It's going, like, I believe this one is going to break. This is the resistance we see right now. It's going to break. We're gonna come down and we're gonna get that nice entry for our buy. So we got Euro USD buy brewing. I'm gonna post this one as well in the chat so you guys know what's coming up. Yeah, still no trade, no go. So right now we got GBP JPY running, Euro USD anytime. We waiting for a candle to close above and the next one to come down and retest it as support and reject it as support. If that happens, we got a perfect entry for our buy. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna finish off the stream right now. My name is Jeremy from the Free Minds, and I thank you for watching and listening. Stay tuned in the Telegram channel for updates on these trades. All right, have a fantastic day and stay blessed. I'll see ya.